You do not use yesterday's technology to communicate with your loved ones today. Then why are you using outdated systems to run your business? Meet FusionResto, the futuristic ERP software for restaurants. Technology is reshaping the way businesses connect with their customers. FusionResto is a turnkey POS solution that is simple to set up and easy to use. FusionResto gives your business the tool to manage customers, employees, and suppliers. Leverage remarkable features including inventory management, financial accounting, and promotions. Monitor and track reports on demand. Wherever you go, FusionResto goes. One restaurant or 100. FusionResto is ideal for your business. From dine-in to take-away, QSR to home delivery, food court to sweet shop. With FusionResto, you are ready to stay ahead of your competition. FusionResto provides the following benefits: save time, save money, concentrate on your work, work in a team, highly scalable. Experience the power of modular system, use extensive range of hardware, security and zoom in. Effective solution. Contact +919 831 926 or visit www.fusionresto.com for a free demo.